Okay, I got five all set up. I found two that if I held it up, that bottom piece, and then tightened it up, I just let the black wire just kind of wrap down like that, and then it wouldn't twist up. And speaking of little twisties, see these? This was the little wires holding the little wire together. I'm just going to fold that, and I'm going to put that in my electrical bag, because you never know when you need just something like this to wrap around 2 or 3 wires behind a wall mount TV, or some wires that you need to tie up behind a computer or something, you know. So I always saved stuff like this. And then I left the plastic on top of the hoods just for now, just so they don't get marked up, and I can install them exactly like that. I'm going to put the stuff away. I've got the 5 bulbs, so I'm going to put those in this box, and I only need 1 more bulb. And that was nice. He gave me some extra bulbs for my inconvenience, and he didn't charge me for any of the bulbs. But, you know, just keep in mind, if you get 6, you might want to get a couple extra LED light bulbs if you want. Those things are supposed to last, you know, many thousands of hours. So you might not need them at all. But I just happen to have some extra in case they ever burn out. And if they ever do burn out, all you have to do is unscrew the top of the light fixture, and then pull the bulb out, just like how I showed you how to push them back in. Very simple and easy to do. Okay, so I'm gonna get these other boxes. I'm gonna just put them all back in here. I like to kind of keep things together before I move on to the next step. And the next step is I'm gonna figure out strategically where I'm going to place these in my landscaped area, having 2 over there by the sidewalk, and then 3 evenly spaced around this concrete mowing strip. And I've got to determine where to put the last one, and that'll decide. You know, once I figure out exactly where the last one goes, then I'll know to put these evenly. 2 more, 1 or 3 more. 1 evenly, 1 evenly, 1 evenly, and 1 evenly over to there. You see what I mean? And as we drive up to come into the garage, we're going to be looking at this angle here. So do I actually want the last one installed over to there? And we're not going to see it as we drive in. You see what I mean? So I'm probably going to want it about in line with that bush right about there, maybe slightly over to the left, just a little bit. And I'm looking at that again from this angle, maybe just in front of that bush. You see what I mean? That way when we drive in, we can see the light. Okay? And so because I know where that last one is, then I'll start taking some measurements and figure out where these other ones go to make them even Steven. Like I said, I don't have to put it where that last one was, where those wires were. If this one, these in here, if one doesn't line up right there, okay, whatever. I'll have to redo the wires there, and if the other one's there, the other one's there. That's all. I don't mind. I got the wire nuts, I got electrical tape, I got all that. Okay, so I've got to decide that, and I've got to decide how far off the edge of this mowing strip, and whatever the measurement is off of there, I'll have the same measurement off the edge of this area here. So I'll have to set those out, and I'll do that next. See, there's always a plan. You know, if you do it slightly different, is it really going to matter? No. As long as you can see what makes sense to you and get them installed accordingly. And then, like I say, if after you have them installed and you see them on at night before you put all your dirt back in and your decomposed granite or your gravel, river rocks or bark, just stand back and think, well, I really don't like that one there. I'm going to move. I wish I would have moved it over a foot. You can move it over a foot, and that's why when I get ready to do each one, I'm going to have to leave a little extra section of wire rolled up. Do you see what I mean? That way you've got options If you need to move it, you know, 6-8 inches to the right or to the left or back or whatever, then you don't have to redo the wires. Don't make your wire bundles tight. You see what I mean? All right.